Yes, as the title says, 648 total axles. And we will hear that when the Mile 152 hotbox detector gives us its report at the end of the video. We never heard the length of this train, but it should be darn close to 14,000 feet, over 2.5 miles long. This is the most we have seen for an axle count on a 121 in a while. The Kids Railfanning crew is in Longley, New Brunswick, at the Mile 148.86 crossing, on this very overcast October 30th, 2025. While this big 121 is running a bit later than normal, our friendly crew is making good time with this well-built train. And we say well-built, as the train seems to have been built into well-organized blocks today. There are 6 wells with domestic containers right behind the lead units, CN 3866, 3400, 2893. After these domestic containers are 42 wells with international or import containers, another 5 wells with domestics, and then another 56 wells with more international containers that takes us right to the DPU, CN 2956. Behind 2956 is 75 wells of domestic containers, along with the 1 empty well in the mix, and with a further 24 wells of international ones on the rear. To us, it usually seems that the blocks of domestic and international containers are a bit more mixed. Anyway, there are a total of 122 wells with international containers and 86 with domestic. With the 1 empty one, it makes for a total of 209 wells, and with most of them doubled up, that would be a lot of trucks that are not on our highways. Well, our friendly crew with what we think is a big and well-organized train can be heard coming into view at the east end. So let's enjoy CN Z121 Longley with 648 axles. We hope you enjoyed the video of CN Z121 Longley with 648 axles. Please subscribe, comment, and let us know you love the video by giving it a thumbs up. Also, check out the post section of this channel for regular updates and for photos of this train and others. Thank you for watching. And until we meet for the next fun adventure with Kev's Railfanning, stay safe and have a wonderful time. Cheers.
CN detector, Napadogan 152. No alarms. Temperature 3C. Total axles 648. Speed 44. Détecteur CN, Napadogan 152. Aucun problème. Température 3C. Total essieux 6, 4, 8.